Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. So as you can see, here you have this is a 4 bedroom house. We have done molding work, plastering. We have do the grilling of the windows. We have placed a door, gypsum work, ceiling board. So it's almost ending. So the floor is almost ending, and then we go. The next step is the tiles, putting on tiles, and then fisher board. So let me take you inside, and then you see it's, let's say it's like an empty house tour of this 4 bedroom house. As you can see, it's sitting on a piece of land like almost 50 by 100, 50 by 100. So we have utilized the space well, but at the front yard, at the backyard, there's space that we are planning to build another house. So let me take you and then see. So as you can see, the molding work, we have done it. So this is the front part of the house, and then this is the backyard. This is the kitchen side of the door. So let me take you uh, through this kitchen side. So those two windows, the one from there, that is for kitchen, and then the other one there is for sitting room. So they have placed there a meter box. So this is the balcony for the kitchen. As you can see, we have done the molding work perfect. As you can see, even here we have these stairs will remove it. The design of it is not giving. So we'll renovate it, and then we place the new ones, either a circular, a half moon, or whichever design. But this one, it's not giving. So these are 3 pillars. So one is there, and then the other one is here, and then the last one is here. So let me take you inside the house. So as you enter, we for sorry for interruption. Let's continue. So as you enter at the backyard, so you have placed here a socket. Just in case you are just tired inside, you can come and chill outside. So this is our door, our backyard door, exit door or backyard door. So as you enter, you will see this beautiful kitchen level. So we have placed it. So in like either 2 to 3 days, this floor is not yet complete. This floor is not yet complete. So after it has been completed, we'll just put tiles. So as you enter, as you can see, this is a place for cooker. We'll place here a cooker. As you can see already, we have designed it there. That is a cooker connector, and then this is a cooker socket. So on the level, higher on the level, we have on this low level, we have placed it as socket here, a double socket. So this socket will help us to do like blending, anything that you can see, you can use through when you're working on this level, rather than going somewhere and sit down. So we have even so there's this we have placed here for fridge. So our fridge will be here. So this is our entrance for the kitchen. This is our store. This is our store. As you can see, it's not that much big. It's enough. We did not want to provide a big store. It will consume a lot of space. So this is our consumer control unit, and then we have done this in interior work. This is gypsum installation. As you can see, this is a corridor. There are 2 corridors here. So this one is when you come from the main entrance, you come for you pass through the first one, and then you come using this one as you enter to the to the kitchen. So this is the pathway. This is the way as you come. As you can see, we have done this gypsum, very nice. So on our left right hand side, this is a like a room, the first bedroom. But before you enter, there's this like a corridor here that will serve, that we have placed here a public toilet so that anyone can access it. That's why we call it a public toilet. But we have done an interior work, this molding work on this arc. So as you can see, it's done perfect. So let me take you to the kitchen, to the toilet. So this is our toilet. As you can see, we have separated here. The above will place the paint work, and then here downward, as you can see, it's rough. We'll place it there some tiles. So this is the window, the backyard window. So as you can see, this is the backyard of our project. So let me take you to the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It has two windows. Already we have placed there grills. As you can see, the grills are perfect. I would like to thank our engineer who did this job. He did it a very good one. So at upward, we didn't do any gypsum work. We just installed a flat ceiling, only flat ceiling. But here we have placed a bedside switch, So as you come from the door, you can come and put it off there. And then we have placed here a socket, a double socket. So as you come to sleep, no need to return there. So when you want to charge your phone, you can charge it there. The second charge socket here, always we provide a double socket. So this is our switching point for this house. So let me take you to the second bedroom. So this is our second bedroom. It's almost of same size. There's no difference, but there it has only one window, because it can have two windows, because there's this wall here. The other room, it has another room, and then the other one, it has a toilet at the other end. So it can have two windows. So it have one window, but as you can see, it have some enough sufficient light, so no need to struggle. Even when the power is off during the day, you can have your natural light. So here is our strapper, and then our socket, a double socket below there. So these are our material that remain for gypsum work, and then a ceiling board. But this gypsum and this what do we call this? In this channel, we want to build a TV stand at the sitting room. So we're about to. There is a problem with our electricity, but maybe tomorrow we will start our. Not tomorrow. After they have finished installing the tiles, we'll start to build our TV stand. So let me take you to the third bedroom. So, but here with this a small corridor here, it separates a sitting room as a master bedroom and the other bedroom here. So this is like a pathway that enters to our third bedroom, and then this is our path, this is our door, main door, as you enter to the master bedroom. So as you can see, at this pathway you have placed a gypsum work, the gypsum work. So in all corridors we done gypsum work. So this is our bedroom. As you can see, this is our switching point. Always, and then also this one, it has some two windows, that one and that one. And then even as always, we place there a strapping, and then I think a socket is here, but this ceiling board has hide it. So let me take you to to the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. So as you can see, as you can enter, you'll find we have placed here our switching point. I think will be 5 gang, but we'll separate it into 2 and 3 gang. So at least it look a little bit a good picture. And then we'll place here our regulator fan. So here, this is our bedroom, master bedroom. Already we have done interior work, gypsum installation. So this is our face. So okay, we place here a 3 wall bracket. So the first one is there, the second and the third one, this thing hide. So the third one is there. So this framework, this picture, this structure we have placed here. There is a lighting point. So as you can see, there's this first light, the second one, and the third one. And then also here first, second, and third one. So the painting work is almost to begin. This thing we are going slow but sure. So this in a week time we'll start painting work. So this one, with these, as you can see, these screws will be it will be smeared with the paint work, and then it will be look a good structure. Um, so this is upward. So as you can see, this is the how upwards look like, the ceiling on upside on upward. So this is our ceiling. As you can see how it looks smart. I think when we'll finish, we'll take you the Atara. I will show you everything when we've done installing electrical, fire, plumbing, and I think we'll meet on the next video. I think in like a month or 2 months will be finished completely. So this is our provision for the air condition. So this is for power intake, and then the copper tubes. So this one is for how do you, this one is for switching point for a strapper, and then this for this, the other one will be a DP switch controlling the AC, and then a socket down there, and then also here we have provided another socket. So this is a dressing room. So as you can see, there is a partition there. That is like a dressing room. So and then the door you are seeing, that is went us to the toilet. And then there's a doors here. So I told you painting is almost. So this is for skimming. We'll use for skimming. This is a filler, and this door will be filling on the house. So as you can see, we are planning our wardrobe to start from this end going up to that end. It will be an L-shaped form, an L with cover with side mirrors. Their hangers will provide them, and then even another one will be here. So as you can see, this is the measurement. It will come from here up to there. So going back up to this level. So it will be both side there, this side and the other side. So this is our toilet. So this is our window, and then this is our okay. The zigzag one will be placed there. What do you call it? Tiles, and then upward will place there paint. So I've seen this is a mistake there. Fundi forget to install ceiling on this toilet. So we have seen. So I will call them tomorrow and then come and to finish this work. So okay, yeah, in the sitting room and this master bedroom, it has also two windows. That's one, and the second one. So let me take you to the sitting room and the dining. So this is the corridor, the first corridor that I was talking about, and then this is the one that we come from it. So let me take you to this. So as you can see, we have done the design is almost the same with the other one. So this is our window. This is our window. So even on our sitting room, the entrance we have placed there our molding. So on our arc, as you can see how the sitting rooms looks like. This is the sitting room like they've done perfect work. The interior work, the fundi for gypsum didn't disappoint us. So even we have placed here a three wall bracket, one there, the second and the third one is there. So this is our TV. As you can see here, we have two pipes. One will be for socket and then other one will be antenna. So it will pass through and then enter using this pipe and then give a TV antenna here. And then down below, there's another double socket. So even on the back, they have this socket here. So this socket will also provide power to the outside socket on our entrance for the first corridor. So this is our DPCT that will be controlling our air condition. This is this is the pointing for the AC, air condition, and the for the copper tubes outlet for the copper tubes. So this is our dining. So as you can see, even we also put their molding work. So even here we have installed the gypsum work. So this is the design for the dining. This is the design for dining. Our dining, the owner of the house choose this design, and then we give our instruction to the fundi, gypsum fundi, and then he did it. So as you can see, it has also two wall brackets, the first one and the second one. And then that is a serving window. It connects with dining and the kitchen. So there is our socket. We'll place there either fridge or whichever way you want. So let me take you to the to the let me take you to the outside, the front side, front yard. So if you are keen, you will see this molding are different. So this for round, and then the kitchen, it was like a square. So as you can see, this round, and that is for kitchen there. So as you can see, that for kitchen is different with this one, with this for the entrance, for the main entrance of the house. So how will you see this? So these are 5 pillars, 2, 1, 2. So that will sum up to 5. Our fundi, I've done it. If you want, there is kind of decoration, you can just call us. We can connect you with the fundi, and then he can do that work for you. We don't have to limit. So we just give an exposure to our fundi so that you you can just get a job so that he can feed herself, so to get his a daily bread. So this is the so I think the video has ended. So we'll meet to the next video. So continue supporting by subscribing, share and like the video. Thanks to those one who are cooperating with they want to us to build a house. So thank you for trusting us. So goodbye. So let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.